video. So in this video I'm going to teach you how to make repost private on TikTok. So you can see I'm on my TikTok app. So here is the repost section. Go to this and here you will find your all the repost videos or TikTok posts that you have reposted. To make them private, you have two options. You can't make directly private this repost because it's not your post, you just repost it. So you have two options, either remove it from your profile or you can save it separately. So first of all, to remove it from your profile, all you have to do is tap on this share icon again and remove post. So this will remove from the repost section. If you want to make this post private or you like this video and you want to save it for later, all you have to do is save it. Use the feature called save it, and you can organize these videos like this I did. Let's say create a new collection and name it this spirituality. So this way you can organize these videos and this will be private instead of reposting that will be public, and you don't want to do that, you don't like that. You can save these videos instead of reposting and make private. You can save this, and this is how you make repost private on TikTok. If you want to find saved videos, all you have to do is you can go to this section, saved section, and here is the collection and here is the file, and you can see all the video that you saved on this. So this is the option to make repost private on TikTok. I hope you like this video. If you like the video and let me know what you think about this video, and we'll meet you on my next video. Peace out.